Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot Power, and today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on the device. So start off, find something that you want to capture. I'm just going to capture this home screen, and once you have it ready, all you need to do is hold the power key and volume down like so. You'll have a sound and also a kind of an image that you have just captured. Minimize, and then the image can be found in the photo gallery. So let's find the app, which is right here, Photos. And once you open it, try it again. For some reason it's not really working. Photos. There we go. Now it's actually opening. So click on keep it off. And in the albums section, you'll have a folder called screenshots, and that's basically where you can find screenshots that you capture. And from here you can edit them, send them, and also remove them if you like to, like so. So that is basically how you take a screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.